I came to live in this house in the woods, to work on my music on my own. But somehow I feel it's a magical place, and somehow I feel I'm not alone. I was just Johnny till I walked through that door, but I'm not just Johnny anymore. I'm Johnny
And the Sprites.
Did you see one Johnny?
And the Sprites.
Could you be one Johnny?
And the Sprites.
Ginger and Basil, Lily and Root. Sprites can be shy,
But we're friendly and cute.
so if you should rove to Grotto's Grove,
Come join in a song, you can sing it too, with you know who.
Johnny,
And the Sprites.
sing along now, Johnny.
And the Sprites.
That's our song now,
Johnny and the Sprites.
My friends, Tigger and Pooh, we're always there for each other. You'll see just how fun it can be, with so much in the wood to discover. And if I need help on the way, Buster might save the day, or Piglet, Lumpy, or Roo. Eeyore has a paw to lend, Rabbit has an ear to bend. Now all we're missing is you. Hooray, it's a honeyful day, so let's laugh and let's play here together with my friends Tigger and Pooh. Your friends Tigger and Pooh. My friends Tigger and Pooh.
That's you, buddy.
Let's go, everyone, we're gonna go down to a kooky little place called Bunny Town. Follow us down, we'll show you around. We know you're gonna like it in Bunny Town. 'Cause they laugh, and we'll laugh, and they play,
And we'll play!
they have fun
We'll have fun!
every day. Let's go, everyone, we're gonna go down to a kooky little place called Bunny Town. And they hop,
And we'll hop!
and they jump,
So,
they have fun
we have fun!
all day long. What up? Let's go, everyone, we're gonna go down to a kooky little place called Bunny Town. Bunnies get fit. Meow.
Everybody shout, what's the big idea?
Hey! What's the big idea?
Imagination movers are music to your ears.
We're music to your ears!
We're the guys who love to figure things out.
What? We love to figure things
I
out!
said, you need some help, you just give us a shout.
Hey, movers, won't you help us out?
Imagination movers. movers.
You gotta think about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta talk about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta sing about it.
I think what the situation needs is some imagination. Smitty's my friend, he's playing his guitar. Scott's got his goggles that help him see far. Dave's over there underneath the red hat. Now my name is Rich, I go rat-a-tat-tat. Imagination movers.
You gotta think about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta talk about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta sing about it.
I think what the situation needs is some imagination.
Special alert! Special alert!
Meet Special Agent Oh-So, the unique stuffed bear. He's on a special assignment to help a kid somewhere. And with help from you, there's nothing he can't do. He's oh-so special.
Hurry, Special Agent Oh-So.
Oh-so special. Sounds like a plan. When he's on the scene, he'll do all he can. Learning brand new skills, facing danger and thrills.
It's all part of the plan.
He's oh-so special.
Hurry, Oso!
Oh-so special.
Way to go!
Special Agent Oh-so.
Deep inside the jungle, far from anywhere, there's a place that no one knows, but we can take you there. It's Jungle Junction. It's Jungle Junction.
Jungle Junction.
Life is fast and friendly. Hello. And everyone you meet buzzes round on high-speed roads with wheels instead of feet. At Jungle Junction. At Jungle Junction.
Jungle Junction.
Now Zooter zooms around. She keeps the jungle running right.
Coming through!
Ellie Van the elephant is ready day and night.
Hello.
That fussy bunny bungo wants to know when you'll arrive.
Where are you?
So if you've got the need for speed, come on, let's take a drive to Jungle Junction. To Jungle Junction.
Jungle Junction.
Junction. The Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction.
A stick! And yet another arrow!
Do you remember what these sticks are really called? Let's ask Porcupine. These aren't sticks, they're quills.
Whoa! And you got poked by a ton of them!
That's right, quills. Good sleuthing, everybody.